start by pulling the hair back into a low ponytail and securing. I've kept this nice and clean, however again you can mess it up and have more of a messy version. I've also left 2 pieces down at the front which I'm going to curl and texturize at the end. Next, simply split the ponytail into 2. Now I'm going to do a 3-stranded plait. You could use any plait that you wanted, fishtail, 5, 3, whatever. So I'm simply doing my 3-stranded plait. Now again, at this point, if you wanted to, you could leave some pieces out of the hair to add some more texture or to curl later on. I'm going to leave some small pieces out as I go. Try and come as close to the end of the plait as possible and then secure with a clear elastic. On your last turn of the elastic, bring it over and secure that in. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. Now we've got both of our ponytails and I've left some pieces out. I'm going to mess these up whilst keeping this super clean. I really want the contrast here between messy and clean. It's just what I like, but like I said, you might want to use a different plait. You might want to keep it all super clean and tidy. It's entirely up to you how you do it. I'm now just going to add something to this to make it even cleaner and more shiny to add contrast. Now I'm going to take a grip and bring my ponytail around. Using a pin, I'm going to feed it through the loop on the end of the elastic and secure it. You could put this tight to the head or leave it a little bit looser. It's entirely up to you. These pins will be hidden by bringing the other one around, and then we'll simply tuck the end under there so it can't be seen. Now at the back, we're simply going to fan this out and use a grip going through the elastic that we secured it with to hide. Now it's time to finish up.